Pre, kanta ka. For 100 pesos, kanta ka. Just once.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Sige boss, bridge na.
Bridge? Ikaw bahala, basta...
Sige, utangin na. Sige.
Mamatay pa yun, bumula pa bibig yun pag gano'n yan.
I want to understand why you always come back to goodbye. Why are we getting ourselves an enemy to one another?
Pinatitinig ko ingay, ha?
There's no good without each other.
Tingnan,
Take
galing
the best and make it better.
Parang gusto makipag-live-in ah.
Pwede na tawag ng tanggalan.
Together. Tawag ng ngalan ko pa. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong?
Ayay!
Why we never last for very long?
Pwede na,
What are we doing wrong? May 100 daw ha?
Oo!
Pakabig eh. Tumulak naman kayo. Ang kakapal na mukha nyo.
Can we find a way to finally make it right?
Yo!
Pag sinapukit sa bunganga, ngipin mo ang t-shirt mo.
Whoa, to make the magic last for more than just one night.
Magsipilo ka ha. Dilaw na ipin mo.
Yeah, man!
We could just get through it. And we could just get to it just once.
Yay! Peace, yo, bitch!